It's fast, it's furious, but unlike the movie franchise, it doesn't make you want to blow your brains out. The land of manga and Sugami starting brings you the Kawasaki Z900. The Z650. Okay, hold on a moment. Alright, that's the Z400. It's essentially a stripped down Ninja 400, or as I'd like to call it, Iron Man without his armor. But would it make sense for India? Let's find out. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to ZigWheels for all the latest motorcycle related content and hit on the bell icon to keep up to date with all forthcoming videos. Kawasaki has a comprehensive portfolio in place for the Indian market, which pretty much covers the length and the breadth of the motorcycle segment. However, it still doesn't have a great entry-level roadster. Even the short-lived Z250 felt too primitive by the time it arrived. Now, it's been replaced by the Z300 overseas, but we believe the mighty Z400 would make a lot more sense in India instead of the 300. The Ninja 400 blew us away with its performance, and we expect the Z400 to be just as good. After all, even without the Iron Man suit, Tony Stark is still Tony Stark, a genius, billionaire, playboy, philanthropist. What we loved about the Ninja 400 was its lively engine. It's not only powerful but also an extremely tractable motor which makes city riding an absolute breeze. Push it past 8000 RPM and the bike shows you its true colors, even leaving some of the quickest bike in the segments like the RC390 eating dust. The Ninja 400 was in fact the quickest bike we tested in its segment, and with the lighter curb weight we expect the Z400 to be even quicker. Also worth mentioning is the Ninja 400's handling capabilities. It's razor sharp, almost telepathic in corners thanks to its potent trellis frame. Add in a well-balanced suspension setup and some grippy tires and you have a package that just works, even in the rains. We expect the naked derivation of the Ninja 400 to be just as good, possibly more agile since it's 6 kgs lighter. It'll be a fantastic bike, just overpriced if they go the Ninja 400 way. To put things into perspective, the Z400 costs 196,200 Baht, which is 20,000 Baht cheaper than the Ninja 400 in Thailand. Now by that equation, considering how high Kawasaki had priced the Ninja 400 in India, the Z400 would end up costing approximately 4.23 lakhs, even if it came via the CKD route. Now that's just unreasonably expensive. Don't get me wrong, the Z400 is an outstanding motorcycle, but it would make a lot more sense in India if the Japanese manufacturer resorts to localization. The Z400 would be the perfect bike for anyone graduating from a 200cc motorcycle if Kawasaki manages to price it around 3.5 lakhs. That's 1 lakh cheaper than the Ninja 400's original price tag. What do you guys think? Do you prefer Tony Stark with or without his Iron Man suit? Let us know in the comments and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. This is Gaurav signing off.